Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we will look into child selector. Here, child in the sense, we will specify a parent node and try to select all the child. So, child selector is to apply the rule to a tag which is child of some other tag, right? So, one will be the parent and another one will be the child. So we specify the parent in the selector and ask to select all the child. So P/I means we are defining the styling for all the italic tags. So I stands for italic tag. So for all the italic tag which is nested inside the P tag. So P is the parent here. So P is the parent here and I is the child of parent. So that means select all italic tag, but that should have a parent P. So if you specified italic tag on some other tag other than P, that will not get picked. Now here if you see, we have a H1 tag and there is a UL tag with a list item. So UL is unordered list and this will be the parent for all three list items here. So that's how the parent child is defined. So this is parent tag and it contains three child tags, C1, C2 and C3. So if you look at C2, C2 is list element that contains one more child I. So this is one more C1, but this C1 is a child for this C2 for this list item. So here if you see, the parent is UL. UL contains multiple list item and in which one list item contains a italic tag. So this is how the parent child will be defined. UL is parent for a list item and the second list item here, this LI is parent for italic tag. So here we defined the style rule paragraph containing the child I. So select all the italic tag if it contains a parent paragraph. So here this italic will not be picked. Why? Because its parent is a list, right? So now if you look at here, this is a paragraph tag and this is a child tag. So this will be picked. And what is the style rule we are defining here? The style rule is text decoration and underline as well as overline. So if ABC is the text, underline stands for the line below it, overline is line above it. So that's what we are doing for italic tag if that comes under the paragraph. So that's what here we are defining. Paragraph tag containing all italic, apply this style rule. So style rule 1 is applied for this italic tag. Then there is one more paragraph that contains two italic tag. So rule will be applied here. Why? Because it is I, parent is P. This one also I, parent is P. So the same rule will be applied. And if you come here, italic, okay, so italic we specified, parent should be P, but here parent is not P, parent is list item. So the rule will not be applied here, even though it is a italic tag. right? Now we will go to the demo, and if you see here, the style rule is applied for the first paragraph that contains a weight called sample. So underline, overline is applied here, and there is one more paragraph after heading 2. There also you can see underline and overline rule is applied, right? Now we will go to the demo. Now we will create the sample files. We'll name it as HTML. You can also use HTML, CSS. So here we defined our HTML, and you can see this is one tag that comes under the paragraph, and here we have two italic tag that comes under the parent paragraph. So I highlighted one I tag, and you can see there are 4 highlights, and in which the rule will get applied for 1, 2 and 3, and here it will not be applied. So let's go to the CSS and define the rule. So here I specified rule for paragraph. Now let's execute this. Before that, we will save all. So currently selected file is HTML. Make sure that. Then go for run and debug. Edge, and you can see the style is applied to specific italic tag. Now so just saved it. We don't need to run it again. Just make sure save all. Okay, it's not yet opened. We will open it. Okay, currently selected file is CSS. Rule is not applied. We specified UL. We'll specify li, save, switch to HTML, run it, and you can see this time it is applied for the second list item. So it depends what parent we specify. Now we specify parent as paragraph. All right. Okay. Since overline doesn't look good, I am removing it. We will use only underline, and this will make it simple. So there are 3 italic, which also goes with the underline. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.